Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to recover deleted posts on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, go to How You Use Instagram section, scroll down to the Your Activity section and tap on it. Now, look for the option called Recently Deleted and select it. Here, you'll see all your recently deleted posts, stories, reels, and IGTV videos. Tap on the post you want to recover to open it. Once the post is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Restore. You'll be asked to confirm the restoration. Tap Restore again to bring the post back to your profile. Instagram keeps deleted content in the recently deleted folder for 30 days. After that, it's permanently deleted. For stories, the recovery window is shorter, just 24 hours unless archived. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted Instagram post. Let me know if you need help with any other Instagram tips. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.